Now on video and DVD.
Strawberry, shortcake.
The adventures continue. First, it's the mystery of the missing sea berries.
Oh no, they're gone!
And only one very special person can save the day.
A mermaid!
Strawberry Shortcake is back in Seaberry Beach Party. Then the game is on in Playday's Surprise. And everyone's a winner if you play hard, play fair, and most importantly,
You don't have to be perfect.
you just have to have fun.
Don't you want to join us?
Now you can bring home your very special friend in Seaberry Beach Party Playday's Surprise, along with these other Strawberry Shortcake favorites. Collect them all. Available on video and DVD.